want them to be happy and healthy.
I want some more.
Circus is not magic, it's just hard work.
Hard is a good thing to start with.
We're at circus school today, which is typically about a 4-hour exercise. Each step pushes me up. It's coming from my legs, not my arms. Randy and their family do well in circus school. They are finding something really challenging. Thing that people do wrong, they do this. Their butt sticks way out.
The kids look forward to circus school every week. They really like it. These activities are actually replacing things like computers, television, and just hanging out at home and doing nothing. The biggest change since the beginning of our journey is that we exercise every day.
Keep going, guys. You got 10 seconds. Let's go. Work it out. Let's go. Come on.
Whether it's outside at the gym, at circus school, the kids have their other activities. There's lots.
Hook your knees on.
We may switch Maggie from the tightrope to the trapeze.
Pull yourself up. You almost got it. Feel the stomach muscle is dry. Pull. Tired, man. Come on. Yeah.
She seems to be doing really well on it, and she really likes it.
Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Back up and sit on the bar. When it goes 5, the hand goes on your face. Come on, Randy. Go. Randy, it's just a rope. It's not going to kill you. Randy does have a bit of a problem with it. Because you're starting to see that. But it's more of a mental block than actually a physical difficulty. I think Terry has the hardest challenge in the family right now. Pick up the tail. And it goes around your back. Good. Remember you hold the pipe.
This way. And then lean totally to the side, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Working on the grip.